I planned this trip thinking I was going to be paying nearly $4 a gallon. Guess what? You gotta like it when gas is under $3 the whole way, and now I see it at $2.58. Abilene, Texas, right straight south. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. And I'm headed for North Carolina to do some relief work, cut trees, haul debris, and deliver a whole trailer load plus my car of stuff back to North Carolina. Asheville is where I'm headed. Trying to find my stupid gas tank on this Jeep is on the wrong side, and boy, I'll tell you, it causes a problem. Anyway, it's Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com, headed for North Carolina. Talk to you later.